Welcome to Flipped Classroom. Today's lesson is Midsummer's Night Dream Test Review Part 2. Act 1 for the exposition, you should know about the wedding preparations that are taking place. Also, the problem that is going on between Hermia and Aegeus, and also the plan that Hermia and Lysander create. Who was told the plan, and what is the reaction or response to this plan? Also, in Act 2, where we have the rising action, you should be familiar with the tradesmen, their names, because they are the players in the play within the play. Also, know who has fear of being unable to learn his part in the play. This is also the part where we're introduced to the fairies, so you want to make sure you know who the king and queen of the fairies are, and also about Puck, Robin Goodfellow, how he uses the potion, what changes happen, and what are the reactions to the love potion and those changes. In Act 3, it's the climax of the play. This is where the players in the play within the play begin to express some of their fears that the audience might have. Also, take a look closely at Hermia and Demetrius's interactions. What do they accuse each other of? And also look at the new relationship between Helena and Lysander. What are their accusations and what are their responses? Also, understand that Bottom becomes an ass in this scene, and what are the reactions and responses to this new transformation by Puck. Act 3 is the climax, where all the problems reach their peak. Act 4 is where you will get the resolution, the falling action. The characters are trying to determine if it was a dream or reality. What has happened to them? Know what are the different changes between the couples and how they react to these changes in their relationships. Act 4 is the resolution to the problems created in Act 3. Act 5 is the denouement, or the conclusion. Once again, there's questions between what is dreaming and what is reality. It is also the play within the play at the wedding feast. Finally, take a close look at Puck's apology and try to determine why he feels there's need to apologize to the audience. These are some of the main ideas that will be covered in the test. Thank you for joining me today in Flipped Classroom.